to Spectrum Education. We are going to discuss today about properties of state of matter. As we have discussed, matter are three types, that is solid, liquid and gas. So will discuss that today. So firstly we'll talk about solid, about shape and volume. Solid has fixed shape and fixed volume. It means if you take a glass or anything or your book, okay, keep your book somewhere, is it changing its shapes? No, right? It means it is having the fixed shape. And about volume also, how much space it is taking on bed, that much space it is taking on chair. It means it is having fixed shape as well as volume. It is not changing with the time. But if we'll talk about liquid, liquid has fixed volume but they do not have fixed shape. It means like you assume you took one glass of water that contained 100 ml of water. Okay, now take that water and pour into bowl. What will happen? Does shape change? Does volume change? Yes, volume did not change, but shape has changed. Before that, the shape was glass. Now it has container shape, but the volume is same, 100 ml and 100 ml. We will talk about gas. Gas do not have fixed shape and volume because you see you are not able to measure the gas present in this room. Okay, and you can't say what is the shape and how much volume it is present. Moving forward to intermolecular space and compressibility. Intermolecular space, assume there are two particles of solid. Okay, now they are together. Okay, so solid particles have very less space between it. See, this particle have very less space. It's there, but you can't see. Okay, so because of that, now you are not able to compress it. If you compress it, it will break down. Liquid particles have less space between it. It's a little bit space is there. It is also not able to compress that much. Just a little amount of slightly it can compress. Gaseous particles have much space between it and it can be compressed. Exactly. So what is gaseous particle? You see these gaseous particles are there. So if you take the gaseous particle together, you are trying to compress it, you are able to compress it. See the dry ice. Do you know dry ice? Dry ice is nothing but is carbon dioxide. So if you, that carbon dioxide took compressibility and it becomes like a solid. Okay, now next is force of attraction and fluidity. Force of attraction means they are attracted together and they are closely packed. If they are closely packed, they are not able to move anywhere. Okay, that's why solid particles are tightly packed together and it can't flow. Liquid particles are loosely packed together. It has space, so it can flow. You see water. Water is loosely packed, little bit loosely, not that much. So that's why it is able to flow. But it need medium. It need tilt medium or something. You see, if it is like some like medium like that, it is not able to flow. But if medium is like that, it is able to flow easily because they can move little. Gaseous particles are very loosely packed and has much space, so it can flow easily. You see this gases, this air has much space between it, so that's why air can flow anywhere. See here, packing of the molecules. I was talking about the space. This is the space you can see the middle of the between the two molecules. It's very less amount. That's why they are not able to compress. You see, those are the liquids and some. They have some more space in that, so they can slightly compress. Example is water. An example of solid is ice. Here, this is vapor. They are very far away to each other, so that's why they are able to compress easily to fill the gap. Okay. So if you have any query, let me know in the comment section and tell me 5 example of liquid in the comment section. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.